there's a major issue with the slide, and that is you can use it to get under a character. Wasn't happening right there, but you can use it to get under, and when you get up you are sort of overlapping with the other character. It wasn't happening just then, but I want to be able to limit the time where the player is going through another character when it's sliding. First, let me go into the move forward script. So for going through a character, let me create a header here. Ignore character box. I want ignore start time as well as ignore end time. And I want to be able to exactly see the timing. So I'll create a variable called debug. And whenever we have it on, if debug is true, we log the timing of the animation. Normalized time. I'll set up a breakpoint here attached to Unity. And for the slide, running slide, turn on debug. And if I play, so as soon as we go into the sliding motion, we have the timing. You can't see it. Let me move this up and play again. So as soon as we go into the sliding motion, we have the timing. And basically I want to continue until I see the right start timing, about 20%. And somewhere around 70% for the end. So start time 20, end time I'll try 75. And I'll go back to the code. We haven't written the code yet for going through only during the specified time. Is blocked. Here it is, ignoring character box. We want the animator state info, so take that as a parameter. And if the state info time is less than the ignore start time, return false. Else if state info normalized time is more than the end time, that's also false. If I save, we're going to have an error here. We need to pass on the state data. We also need to fix it here. And pass it on, state info. So we should also fix is blocked. Okay, make sure you save, and I'm going to go back to Unity, and I'm going to click play. So now when I slide, near the end of the slide where the character is starting to get up, that's when you can no longer go through. Let me play again. It's kind of hard to see. Okay, things are kind of chaotic, but this slide timing is working. I think the transition between slide to walk is too long. So I'm going to go into ground movement, running transitions, running slide, slide to walking. I think this is a little too much. Okay, I think that's better. Okay, so if you start sliding from too far, you won't make it. I just made it right there, but if you're a little farther away, you won't succeed. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.